Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm joining you today to talk about the 5 things that most annoy me about owning a sports car that you love. So what do I mean by that? So we all have cars that we love. We all have our daily rides, that we commute back and forth to work with, etc. And then we have our cars that we enjoy, take pride in. Hopefully we take pride in all our cars, but for purposes of this video, we all know that we give extra love and attention to our sports cars, our cars that we keep garage covered, baby all year long, etc. So today's topic is, what are those things that annoy us about owning a sports car that you just can't help with any car? So we're going to go over those things. What do I mean by that? You'll see in this video. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so what am I talking about when I'm talking about annoyances of owning a sports car? 5 things that drive me crazy. What do you think? Oh, hold on. Tunnel. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it scared me a little bit. So 5 things. So, you own a car, it's brand new, you get a scratch, and you go crazy, right? Well, just yesterday I noticed a small little ping in my hood. I wanted to scream. I've been doing everything in my power to avoid pings and dings and scratches and etc, etc, etc. The reality is it's going to happen, right? You drive the car. I've committed to using this car as not my daily, but also not a garage queen. I have plans down the line for a garage queen, but not this car. I want to make content. I want to bring you guys content. I want to share my love of the car, experiences, etc, 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 and so on. So you're going to have things happen. 99.9999% of them we can correct and fix, right? So I'm going to go over with you a couple of small things that I noticed in my first 871 miles that have happened. Again, none of these are major, none of them are not correctable, and none of them will stay, long on the car. They will be able to get fixed. So, I'm going to talk about one while I'm driving, because I can do that, but the others I need to point out to you on camera. So, I own a black car, right? Black wheels, black interior, black everything. For those of you that own black cars, need I say more? It's nearly impossible to keep clean, right? Keeping it clean is a daily thing. You pull it out, to run an errand, you come home, the car is dirty. There's nothing you can do about it. It's dirty. It's a fact. You own black, that's going to happen. I don't care if you're driving 100 miles or 1 mile. As soon as something hits the car, it's over with. It's dirty. It's a fact of life, So I do my best to keep this car clean. I'm going to use it. I'm trying to keep it looking sparkling every time I take it out, but it is an annoyance. It's not a major thing. It's not something that's going to change my love for the car, not in the least bit. In fact, in some ways it makes me love it more because I have to take care of it that much more. So it is an annoyance. It's you got to do what you got to do. You got to bring spray with you wherever you go. Bring a cloth, things that are going to help you keep the car clean. Whether you're at a car show, a car meet, you know, you're taking it for a ride, you want the car to look nice, right? So the other things on the list are not so much regarding, you know, daily use of the car. They're more about things that, you know, you love the car and things happen, and there's really not much you can do about it until they get fixed, right? So, you know, there's a couple of things here that have happened to the car over the last few hundred miles. Again, daily use, some of these things can be fixed. You know, I do have a very small, very small chip in the front. I wouldn't even call it a chip at this point. It's more of a minor little fleck in the paint. But nonetheless, it's an annoyance, right? Because it's no longer perfect. You know, and then somewhere along the lines, it looks like a rock may have hit part of my hood, or it may have come from the factory. I do have a small little indentation that's driving me crazy. It can be corrected, of course, with some dent repair. So, and there's a couple other things. So, once I get to a spot where I can stop the car, spend a few moments with you, I am going to do that. So, just hang on, guys. Be right back with you. All right, guys. So here's number one of things that annoy me about owning a beautiful sports car. All right, so I'm going to point your attention here. Probably not going to be able to see it, but look under the start button. There's a hairline scratch here, and a little marking here. You know, I'm guessing it happened in the dealership. Keys, maybe unloading, you know, in transit, etc. You know, it's in the plastic. You know, it's really not gonna change anything. You know, I probably can get it touched up, but that's what happens when you don't, pre-order the car and you get a car that was sitting on a lot. You know, someone came in, scratched it with their leg or whatever it was, you know, sat in it to look at the car. You know, no big deal, but hey, is it an annoyance? Sure is. So the next thing is, similar thing, I'm going to carry you along over here to the left side of my car door. So, if you could see here, there's a couple of scratches. Big deal? No. Can it be fixed? Yeah. Is it an annoyance? Sure is. You know, just a couple little things that are indented. Again, probably someone didn't realize they had something sharper in their pocket, or keys. You know, maybe a worker, maybe a service worker, maybe it was someone who sat in the car to look at it. Again, I got the car with like 7 miles or 4 miles, maybe 3 miles, actually, I don't remember now. But people come and gone, probably in and out of the car to look at it, etc. It happens. There's another one that I was talking about earlier, the little nick in the hood. I'll just follow me here for a moment. I get out of the car. So, give me a second to find it. Alright, right here. See that? It's a little baby scuff in the paint. Driving me nuts. So, I guess that would be number 1, number 2, number 3. This would be number 4. And the last thing is over here. As I get closer, you'll be able to see there's a little baby dent. Pin, top of a pin size. Annoying as hell. It's there. I can get it removed. I know it, but it drives me crazy. So it is what it is. Again, all these things could be fixed. So before I go today, why not give you guys a rev? Hold on, and I'll give you a little rev so you could take this with you. I Have a wonderful day, guys. As always, be safe. Like, subscribe, share my content. Channel's growing slow, but it's growing. So more content coming. Enjoy the night. Bye, guys.